Hi, folks. Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com. Hey, coming with another great review. This is from Marley, thehouseofmarley.com. This is their Liberate Air wireless earphones. And I got to tell you, we get a lot of wireless earphones to review, and a lot of them, they're fairly good. They really are mostly high-end. Sometimes they're so tinny on the high end, they hurt your ears. They usually don't have very good bass or mid-range. But I got to tell you, Marley, when we reviewed a number of their products over the years, you can search for them on the Chris Voss Show. They incorporate wood into a lot of their products, their earphones, their speakers, et cetera, et cetera. We even love their turntable. I love their turntable. I still love the crap out of it. And the Liberate Airs will actually give you some really good bass and mid-range, just a really great resonance of sound that you get with the wood that's built into them. I was super, super impressed with them, and especially at the price point that they're at of $149. I reviewed a lot of earbuds that are 200 to 300 range that don't sound anywhere as nice as these do. And so they've got a good range spectrum inside of them. Plus, they're made with a lot of other cool things as well. They're crafted with sustainable materials. They're Bluetooth 5.0 with plus BLE. They're sweat-proof and weatherproof resistant of an IPX4 rating. They got ear housing touch control, 9-hour onboard battery life, stereo voice communications, and USB-C charging. So they have the latest thing. Comes with a nice little charging case, something you can put them in. What I like about it, too, is sometimes I get these wireless earphones, and they have this bulky case that you're like, why do I have this 5-pound case? They have this in a beautiful, nice little, convenient, easy to slip in your pocket case that will also do some charging of the units as well. And, of course, you can plug it in, and away you go. Super, super impressed with the product, and the sound quality impressed me even more. So they use different things like bamboo, recycled silicone, and fabric in these to make sure that they have sustainable materials. And I think you'll like them. They look good, they sound great, and they're good for the environment. So there you go. How about that? But I think you'll be impressed with the sound. These are one of the few wireless earphones I've ever had that have a great bass to them and a good mid-range. And I think the bamboo is one of the things that makes all the difference. Easily pairs to your phone, and away you go. Go to thehouseofmarley.com. Check out the Liberate Air, truly wireless headphones. I highly recommend them, especially the price point they're at. Really good deal, and you're going to really appreciate the sound. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.